Three Square Food Bank bringing awareness to Hunger Action Month, saying that it's a reminder that none of us can solve this problem alone. News 3's Laura Lagarde explains.
Three Square says this is a time to rally together to raise awareness about a hunger crisis that is facing our nation and specifically those here in Nevada. Food insecurity continues to affect thousands across southern Nevada. Three Square's Tara Narita says 1 in 6 individuals in Nevada are food insecure. Numbers-wise, that's over 377,000 Nevadans being food insecure. Among them, nearly 114,000 children. It's a growing crisis, but the nonprofit is working to make it easier for Nevadans to fight this epidemic, ensuring no one goes hungry.
So this is really a time for us to just raise that awareness and try to do all that we can to help our community around us.
In March, Nevada lawmakers introduced Senate Bill 282 that sought to support grocery stores in this so-called food deserts. Health department officials would work with a council on food security to establish a grocery initiative. While the bill failed on June 3rd, Three Square says the need remains urgent.
We know that the cost of groceries and inflation is continuing to rise, but the need is also rising at the same time. So we are constantly working to make sure that we have food for the community. And we're working with a lot of our partners to be able to make sure that they still have food resources to give out through the community.
Narita says this is about bridging the gap, making sure that everyone and anyone has access to food.
A lot of people may not have access to food or don't know where their next meal is going to come from. So when bridging that gap and making sure that they have access to food, we've heard from neighbors that it can help stretch their SNAP dollars a little bit more, or that it was able to help put a meal on their table when they didn't know where their next meal was going to come from.
Three Square says every act of kindness, be it big or small, can help ensure that children, seniors, and families here in Nevada have the food that they need. For more information, you can find that on our website, news3lv.com. Reporting, I'm Laura Lagarde.